Rami Malek starts mornings quietly beside a vintage typewriter. A neon glow pooling as coffee steams softly, with soft jazz playing. A hidden corner hosts a curated vinyl setup and a small, humming keyboard, revealing his taste for tactile history. He keeps a precise routine, jotting lines on paper before screens, a ritual shaping every character he plays. The space blends mid-century furniture with modern calm, a visual reminder that talent thrives when space breathes. Subscribe for more exclusive peeks behind the curtain and a quick tour of his unique creative corners.